Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how we can determine the change in oxidation numbers. So let's get started. So in this reaction, you'll realize that you are given one unknown, right, xn plus, alright, and you are told that 1 mole of x2 plus reacts with 1 mole of Cl2. So the first thing that you can do in this reaction is to determine who got oxidized and who got reduced. And if you look at the second equation, clearly chlorine gas is reduced to chloride. So if this is a reduction, this has to be oxidation. So you would expect the charge or the oxidation number of X to increase from 2 to a bigger number. So the first thing that you can do over here, alright, is to first and foremost compare the mole ratio of X2 plus and Cl2. And we know that the question has told us that it reacts in a 1:1 ratio. And next, I will also want to see the number of electrons that's actually given out, or rather the number of electrons that's actually taken in by each Cl2. So what I can do is to compare number of moles of electrons, and it happens that the number of moles of electrons is 2, alright, simply by comparing these two and looking at the mole ratio over here. After which, alright, what I need to realize is that since 1 mole of this reacts with 1 mole of this, and 1 mole of Cl2 takes in 2 electrons, it means that 1 mole of X2 plus actually gave out 2 electrons. Alright, since all the electrons that are given out must be taken in, so X2 plus gave out 2 electrons. So if X2 plus gave out 2 electrons, this simply means that the value of N is actually 4 plus. Right, because the oxidation state of X actually increased. So this is how you can determine the change in oxidation numbers.